What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy AIOZ on Coinbase. So for the first step we will log into our account on coinbase.com, and after that you will get to this homepage. For the second step we will select the buy and sell option right on top, click on it, and the purchasing overview will be opened. So we can select a purchase frequency. I will leave it on a one-time purchase, but you've got different options. Click on it and this list will be opened. You can select the daily option, a weekly, twice a month, or a monthly option, and the coins and the amount will be purchased repeatedly on the frequency you will select. After that, you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use for this purchase. I'm using €2, and we will select the coin we want to buy. We want to buy AIOZ Network, and we will select this coin. Now the coin is selected and we can select our wallet we would like to use for the payment we are going to make. I'm using my Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe, but if you live in another country or region, just select the right wallet you would like to use. If you don't have any options to select a wallet you would like to use for your payment, then you have to add a payment method by clicking on this button below, and after you have added it, it will show up in this list. Now you can click on review order and we will click on it. Now the information about this purchase will be shown. As you can see, I'm buying 1.8 coins and we are spending €1.01. The Coinbase fee is quite high, it's 99 euro cents, and the total amount is €2 which we are spending on this purchase. If you would like to invest on a weekly base, then you can select this option to repeatedly buy these amounts every week. After that, you can click on buy now and these coins will be added to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you, bye bye.